Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best sprinklers for kids in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Wow Water Sport Single Lane Slide Perfect Fun. This single lane wow water slide for the lawn that will keep the kids entertained all day long. The slide is made from extra thick, heavy-duty, super slick smooth PVC. In fact, it is more than twice as thick as most of the slides you will find in the market and it's backed by WOW's 1-year warranty. Our zigzag patterned, 25 embedded sprinkler system, connects to the standard backyard hose, runs the length of the slide and has 100% water coverage so no dry spots. That's not even the best part, this slide comes with an attached pool at the end for more splash action. Each slide comes with one inflatable sled to cushion the fall and make the slide even more slippery. Zigzag spray pattern sprinkler system runs the length of the slide for awesome water coverage for great sliding. Large backyard water slide that connects easily to your backyard water hose. Extra thick, heavy-duty PVC. More than twice as thick as most lawn slides on the market. Number 9. Bestway H20 Go. Single water slide. The Bestway H2O Go. Single slider will get kids outdoors having masses of cooling, slippery fun on a hot day. This slip and slide water slide is the perfect addition to any garden on a sunny day and will give kids hours of active fun. Slip, slide and glide across the 18-foot runway that is kept wet and super slippery by the built-in sprinkler system. Build up speed and splash into the drench pool for a splashing finish with inflatable cushioning for a high-speed but safe end. Ideal for solo speed trials or trading turns with friends. Perfect for all ages, the slip and slide can be enjoyed by ages 3+. Simple to set up, the H20 Go. Slider benefits from a toolless setup, so all you need to do is connect to a garden hose and go. Comes complete with a repair patch in case of punctures. Size, 5.49 m 18 feet in length. Built-in sprinklers provide cascade effect and keep the lane slick, perfect for use in youth garden. Simply attach the slide to a garden hose and the sprinklers will do the work while you H20 go. Inflatable drench pool provides a fun, safe and extremely wet way to end the slide. Number 8. Nerf Super Soaker Robo Blaster with bonus water blaster. The all-new Nerf Super Soaker Robo Blaster by WowWee is the ultimate blaster for team, multiplayer, and solo backyard battles. Aim and knock down the Nerf Super Soaker Robo Blaster's targets to win. With a powerful water blast, 60-degree rotating head, and an on-off water control valve, this blaster can drench your friends from 30 feet away. The adjustable base with 2-position front leg lets you customize for any terrain or battle scenes. Multiple modes and ways to play. Robot versus humans, dominate the Nerf Super Soaker Robo Blaster together. Team up and blast water at the targets to knock them down. Team versus team, compete against each other. Both teams pick a Nerf Super Soaker Robo Blaster target. The one who knocks theirs down first wins. Manual takeover, grab the handle to soak the competition. Boss mode, take control. Pick up the Nerf Super Soaker Robo Blaster and control it manually. No switch needed. Soak them while they try to knock down the targets. Human versus human, go one-on-one and drench them to defend your targets. Use your favorite Super Soaker. Ready, aim, soak. This Amazon exclusive pack includes 1 exclusive Nerf Super Soaker Robo Blaster, 1 bonus water blaster, 1 valve, 1 connector and instructions. Screen reader support enabled. Multiple ways to play. Robot versus humans, dominate the Nerf Super Soaker Robo Blaster by teaming up to knock down the targets. Team versus team, compete against each other. Both teams pick a Nerf Super Soaker Robo Blaster target, first one to knock theirs down wins. And more. Number 7. Hasbro Crocodile Dentist Splash Splish and splash your way to the Crocodile Dentist. All new from WowWee, this spin on the classic game of Crocodile Dentist is loads of outdoor fun. Fun for ages 4+, kids will love playing dentist with Crocodile Dentist Splash game. Just like the classic Crocodile Dentist game, kids choose a tooth and press down with their finger. But now if Crocodile snaps down, you get chomped and soaked. Crocodile Dentist Splash game is easy to set up in your backyard. Connect the crocodile to a hose, open the crocodile's jaw, and start playing. Once you get chomped, you're out. Be the only player to not get chomped to win. With 2 modes, the Crocodile Splash fun never ends. Choose Game Mode to play the classic Crocodile Dentist game with a watery twist, or choose Sprinkler Mode to turn your favorite crocodile into a backyard sprinkler. Included in your Crocodile Dentist Splash game is 1 Crocodile Dentist Splash game, 1 hose connector, and instruction manual. Product size, 11.75 by 7.8 by 5.7 inches. Screen reader support enabled. Watch out for his sore tooth, open Croc's jaw and press a tooth. Be careful, if you press the sore tooth he'll snap and you'll get drenched with water. Once you get chomped, you're out. Be the only dentist not to get chomped to win. Screen reader support enabled. Number 6. BT Toy Outdoor Sprinkler for Kids. The water sprinkler is designed in rocket shape, looks so cute and cool. The bright color can attract kids easily to play water games on the lawn, backyard or courtyard happily. The rocket sprinkler is made of eco-friendly ABS material, safe and sturdy, durable and long-lasting, perfect to bring your kids or pets a lot of fun in hot summer days. Assemble the rocket stand. Step 2. Connect the hose. Step 3. Insert the rubber O-ring. Step 4. Rotating the valve and tighten. Note, please inject water gently. The water pressure higher, the rotation will be faster, and spray height be higher. It can spray up to 32 feet high and up to 19 feet wide. Water can spray from 3 places. The kids' water sprinkle can create a lot of fun when the water squirts and spins out of the colorful cool rocket water spray sprinkler. The rocket sprinkler toy is a funny gift for kids aged 3+ to enjoy water fun in summer with your families and pets. A perfect outdoor partner for your birthday parties or your family's friends gathering. Number 5. Go Float Splash Off game. Go Float Splash Off takes classic spin and twist gameplay and adds a fun water element into the mix. Now you can experience a whole new level of fun with friends and family with this exciting new way to beat the heat. Do you have what it takes to be the last one standing? Splash Off can be played with 2 to 4 players and includes everything you need. Simply attach a standard garden hose to the Splash Off mat and you're ready to play. The game also includes a water valve that fits to any standard garden hose to control the water pressure for the perfect amount of water spray every time. The Splash Off mat is made of durable raft-grade material to resist wear and tear and is made to set up in just seconds for hours of fun. Now get ready to see who will be the last one standing in this new exciting game of Splash Off. Made to set up in just seconds. Connects to any standard backyard hose and instantly inflates when the water is turned on. Test your balance with the added challenge of water splashes. Last player standing wins. Number 4. Splash Easy 3-in-1 Splash Pad. Time for a splish splash and bash in Splash Easy's educational water splash pad. Created by loving parents, with the aim of making learning easy and fun. Splash Easy innovative pool has a learning mat for a base, so your little squirt soaks up some knowledge during play. Get relief from the heat with the Splash Easy inflatable pool for children 12 months or older. Cherish the moments as your kiddos splash under the refreshing fountain sprinklers. This summer toy creates oceans of adventures. Keep kids cool and safe with Splash Easy's parent-approved outdoor water toys for toddlers. Fun in the sun and shade. This shallow wading pool and water sprinkler promises uncompromised quality and is BPA and phthalates free. We've got fun down to a science. Educators, psychologists, and researchers all agree that learning through play is key to a child's healthy development. Splash Easy gives your baby both learning and play in one incredible pool. As parents, we know nothing comes before the safety of our kids and the quality of their toys. If for any reason your purchase isn't right for you, then reach out to Splash Easy customer care. We'll happily make things right. Number 3. Cocomelon Splash Pad. Beat the summer heat with the Cocomelon Splash Pad. This adorable sprinkler toy is inspired by the popular nursery rhymes from the educational YouTube series, CoComelon. Shaped like the iconic logo from the series, this water toy is perfect for any CoComelon fan. Encourage imaginative, active play. Toddlers will have a blast splashing around in the water and running through the sprinklers. Use your splash pad in the backyard, or bring it by the pool for little ones to play while the big kids swim. Setup is quick and easy. Just plug it into a hose, turn on the water and it's ready to go. Adjust the water pressure to make the sprinkler height higher or lower. With the CoComelon splash pad, you can create long-lasting memories and fun adventures right in your backyard. This kid-sized water toy is great for escaping the summer heat while having a blast. It's the perfect size for one or multiple CoComelon fans to play in. Parents will love the hassle-free assembly. Simply connect an outdoor hose and you're ready to play. Adjust the water pressure to make the sprinkler height higher or lower. When not in use, the mat can be folded for easy storage. Number 2. Fatsoy Sprinkle and Splash Water Play Mat. If you want a garden sprinkler that promises hours of entertainment with minimal effort, then this is the perfect choice. Simply plug your hose into the side of the mat, the edge of the mat will fill with water and then the sprinkler jets will begin to spray. The mat itself has a fun underwater theme and kids will love running across it and seeing who is brave enough to sit in the middle for the longest. This play sprinkler has lots of positive reviews, with parents saying it entertains children up to the age of 12. If you let it dry out before storing, it will last for summers to come. Number 1. Bonsai Aqua Splash Garden Sprinkler Ball. TOY. Looking for an affordable garden sprinkler for kids? This giant beach ball sprays out water in all directions and costs less than £15. Bargain. Attach your garden hose to the base of the inflatable ball and water will spray out in all directions. Your little ones can then bat it around between them. This sprinkler is at the cheaper end of the market and isn't as durable as some. It'll provide great fun for a couple of summers, but the hose attachment is likely to come loose after heavy play sessions.